my kitchen, I made some fried plantains. So if you want to see how it came out or how it was fried, just keep looking. Welcome back to Andrea's Trini kitchen. And today I'm going to show you guys how to fry plantain. You understand? Now when you're frying plantain, and you have to eat that plantain after you fry it. You're not frying, you're using the green plantain. The green plantain is for like if you're making chips. But this is soft plantain. You see it have all this color on it? This is real good. You see when you press it down, it's soft and nice. So I have 3 plantains here that I'm going to use and show you how to fry it. Now, simple recipe, simple. You either get a frying pan, if you have a wok, like in this case I have this wok, and you use some oil. I'm using pure vegetable oil, and you have to have a knife and a chopping board. So what we're going to do with the plantains, you cut off the tips. You cut off the tips of the plantain. The next step, you make a slit. You make a slit, you take your hand, put some pressure without breaking it apart, and this is your plantain. Right, so I'm going to do the same to these 2. Alright, so the next step is to put some oil into that pan. Put about this amount of oil. You don't want to fold the pot that you're using on the frying pan, but you use it with oil. You just use this amount, okay, to fry the plantain. And the next thing you do is to slant. Take your knife and give it a little slant. So you have this kind of design, you know. Especially if you have guests coming over, you want your plantains to look real nice, right? So you give it a little slant. Not too thick, not too thin. So this is how it will look. I'm going to cut up all first, okay? Now you want to put your oil on medium to high. You don't want your oil on high because you will burn your plantain. You don't want your plantain to burn. So you put it in to fry. You see all that sizzling around? That's good. So you put them in. Is it medium to high? And we are doing fried plantain in Andrea's Trini kitchen today, guys. And I want to thank my subscribers. So people who have subscribed to my channel, I love you guys so much. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and believing in me and my cooking methods and the fun I bring to you guys on a regular basis. I'm almost down. I'm almost 1,000 subscribers. Guys, and I have a surprise for you all. I'm not going to tell you all what the surprise is. But I'm almost 1,000 subscribers. You know, we'll be doing the countdown soon. So, like my channel, as I've said, for new people who have just tuned in, welcome aboard to Andrea Trini's Kitchen, where Andrea brings you loads of fun, loads of good cooking on a regular basis, and lots of fun. Like, share my video with family or friends, and leave a comment. Hit that notification bell so that you will be notified of any new video that your dear Andrea has up. So, see you soon with some good frying of my plantain in this kitchen. Alright, in order to know if your plantain needs to be flipped, you will see this brown, nice golden color around the plantain. So if you look closely, you will see how it has this brownish color. So I'm going to flip this one because I know for sure that this one is already cooked on the other side. Right, so you just keep flipping them. Flip them in the oil. And soon we're going to have a bowl full of fried plantain. See that nice golden color? That's what you want. Like, for example, this one here. You see, it still needs to fry because it doesn't have that golden touch around it. So, take your time and let it fry. And you need to monitor your plantain in the kitchen because you're in the kitchen, you know, oil with heat and all that stuff, it can really mess up your kitchen. So, you need to be there in the kitchen while you're frying your plantain. Okay, and you don't want your plantain to be burnt and have this really dark color. So, I'll be back and show you how it's done when it's completed. See, the plantain has this golden color on the side, on the edges. So, it's really, you can flip each and every one of them right now. Because I guarantee they're all cooked on the other side. Okay, so this is how you're going to fry your plantain. You don't want your oil to be frying on low. You want it to be between medium and high. All right, and it don't take long to fry really if your oil is hot and nice. You see, it have this nice golden color, ready to take out. See, ready to take out. Yeah, you don't want your plantain to look dark, and you want a ripe plantain, as I've said. You can just stick two together. Okay guys, this is the end product of my fried plantain. It's golden brown in color. It has this unique type of look, and I swear to you that it's going to be really delicious. So keep tuning in for lots of more videos.